sister and mother are not there for 1 week, then 1 week you will order food continuously. You will never
No,
try.
no.
You will not try to cook something for yourself. Okay. Hi Nadeem. Good
Yep.
morning.
Yeah, good morning, very good morning. Thanks for giving
Okay.
me this opportunity. And,
Where do you live?
uh, yeah, I live in Uttar Pradesh, district of Azamgarh. Do you know Azamgarh?
Azamgarh. Yeah. I just heard this name. I don't know where is it.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
If you have interested, so I can introduce myself.
Yes.
And
Yes. Of course. Of
yeah, my name is Nadeem Azmi. I have already told you. After that, as far as my qualification, so that I have done graduation from it is a famous college, name of Sibley National PG College. After that, I am pursuing to pharmacy
okay.
because yeah, I want to be a doctor. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please
Okay. So
tell me your.
okay. Before telling my introduction, I would like to know you are working or you are still doing your graduation.
No, I'm yeah, I have done graduation. After that, I am pursuing to pharmacy. Pharmacy means
Okay. Okay.
diploma. It is
Yeah.
yeah,
I know.
it
I
is
know. I know. I know. Okay. So, hi Nadeem. My name is Mansi, as you know, Mansi Gola, and I belong to Delhi. And my qualification, I have done my graduation from Delhi University in Political Science honor, and my post graduation in Master in Social Work. Okay. So, do you have any topic, or do you want to do normal conversation, question answers?
yeah. First of all, please tell me how to learn English. And you can see many
You
people
are
very
speaking
excited.
very well English. You are speaking very good English.
No, no, ma'am. I am learner. I am beginner. So
I'm
that
also a learner. I'm also beginner.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
you, we all are cut from the same cloth. So don't worry. Don't think I am your teacher or anything.
I left to many days to this English because I am facing to some problem. And
Like,
okay.
like which type of problem?
Yeah, because my examination is starting so that you know very well a pharmacy, any person, poor family belong person to spend to 1 lakh rupees. It is very difficult for me. Suppose that I will not pass exam, what happened?
Oh, no, don't say
Yeah,
like this. Don't
yeah,
don't
please
say
pray
like
for
this.
me.
Don't think negativity.
Yeah, please pray for me.
Yeah, my blessings with you. You will achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Best of luck for your future.
Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you.
Okay. So how old are you?
I am 21
Oh,
years old.
okay, okay, okay. So, okay. Do you have any question?
Yeah, and please, I also told you why people very excited to learn English. Please, and how to learn English.
Because
Okay, skip
because
that question.
because this is a global language. Because this is a global language, and if you know this
Yeah,
language, then you can get a better job, best job in any country.
yes.
And other one thing is that if you know this language, then you can survive in any place, in any
Yeah,
country.
I know
You know.
you can speak to you, Sarai, but it's not very easy. A lot of facing to problem. You are
So
also you are
if
also.
you are able to make others understand your things, your views, then we can say you are good speaker.
Okay, okay. You ask me anything, I
Okay,
will
I will
try.
give you one sentence and then you have to make so many questions from that sentence. Okay. Okay. Your name is Nadeem, na?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Nadeem is playing cricket with his brother in the park. How many questions you can frame with the help of this sentence? Questions. This is the answer. You can say this is the answer, and you have to
Yeah.
make so many questions with the help of this sentence, this answer. How many questions you can make?
Yeah, I think each which ground Nadeem is playing cricket.
Very good.
Okay, and
Hmm.
what's Nadeem is playing cricket in which ground?
Okay, but this is not a correct sentence.
Yeah, I think it is not correct. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. I think one question to you make to six type. Uh, Nadim is playing cricket. Uh, what is Nadim playing cricket? What is Nadim not playing cricket? Why Nadim playing cricket? Why is he?
Wrong sentence. What is nothing? Not playing cricket. What is this? What is this?
No, why Nadim playing
Okay,
cricket? Nadim
why?
cricket.
Why? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Then it's okay. Then it's okay.
Yeah. Where is Nadim playing cricket?
Very good.
Where is Nadim not playing cricket?
Okay.
My teacher, I class eight. I teach. You can write to one sentence, six sentence. क्या नदीम क्रिकेट खेल रहा है?
Hmm.
नदीम क्रिकेट
Hmm.
नहीं खेल रहा है? You understand, ma'am?
Hey, you can make so many questions. You can make so many questions. More than six.
Yes. I make question.
Yeah, you make questions.
Yeah, I told you where is Nadim playing cricket with brother because
Okay.
I also
Okay.
told you I am.
It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay.
Yeah, because I think it is our bigness. I not try to any time to rule and
Make
regulation of
sentence.
grammar.
Okay. 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 So
Uh,
now,
and
but
because
you are trying your best. You are trying your
yeah,
best.
yeah,
Hmm.
I will try after our conversation. Because
Okay.
yeah, my teacher also told me rule, and you always use the grammar rule and regulation, so you also very
You know,
confused and you should,
without grammar, we can speak little bit English, but we can't frame other sentences. You know, more
yeah,
sentences.
yeah, I
So
think
that's a
ma'am,
problem. So it's very important to learn grammar rules also.
yeah, I know grammar is very, it is a part of English,
Part of
so
this
that
English. Yes.
yeah, so that I think 30% is very necessary, but you always yeah, you always 100% I speak to only grammatically. So without environment I cannot speak ma'am good. So that I cannot give any coaching. So that it is very difficult for me. I belong to very rural area.
No, you
So it
are
is very
speaking
difficult.
very good. You are speaking very good. You are trying your best. Don't think
Thank you ma'am.
negative
But
about yourself. You are speaking
yeah,
good.
I want to learn you ma'am because I come here so that I know your
From
English
you.
is very well.
From you. Okay.
I know your English is very well, so that I think why not I meet our converse one day I meet yeah, Manisha ma'am. Yeah.
Manisha. I don't know
Yeah.
Manisha.
No, what is
My
your name? I know.
my name is
Mansi.
Mansi. So many people says me Manisha. You know. So many
Because
people
it is
say me Manisha.
because it is
Similar
a
to
easy
that.
name. Mansi.
Similar to that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Because my coaching one girl's name of Manisha, so I think
Okay.
this
Okay.
man is
Okay.
name of Manisha. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
My next question is, what was the last thing which you have recorded in your TV? Do you have
The last
smart TV?
thing.
Huh. Do you have that option, recording option in your TV?
Yeah, but
Okay, so
I cannot
which
understand. So that, yeah,
okay, okay.
this is also depend
Let
you.
me change the question. Let me change the question. Okay. What was that last thing which you have downloaded in your phone? Now it's okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
because I download to any videos so that many people very excited to learn English because I have also told you. Yeah, last video I upload to a YouTube channel.
Oh no, dear. Which is that last video which you have downloaded in your phone? Other video.
Other video.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, no, no, no. I today I download to one video. Your I don't know name, but I think 6 and 7 hour you uploaded download this
Oh,
video
my
so that
video. That was my video. That was my video.
yes, yes,
Oh, I'm lucky. Okay,
yeah.
thank
You are also
you.
lucky. You are always lucky because don't mention.
Okay, देखो, listen.
Don't know.
Whenever
Yeah,
with whom you are talking, okay, so try to listen which
yeah. It is
word they
our
are
right.
using, what, why, when. These are different word, you know. These are different. So try to listen.
Yeah,
If someone is saying what is that, so वो क्या है? Okay. अगर पूछ रहे हैं कि why you did that, देन वो पूछ रहे
क्यों है?
तुमने ऐसा क्यों
क्यों है?
किया. हाँ.
Because yeah, I know already, ma'am. Because it is my religion. I cannot any girls to facing to chatting. So it is a very difficult
Oh,
person.
you are talking
Yeah, you are very strong, huh?
with girls first time.
Yeah,
Oh my
yeah,
god, you never talked with anybody, any girl.
yeah. College also many
So
girls
what?
meet me, but
So how can you say that you
no,
are first?
no,
You
because
How can you say I am first?
yeah, you are first because facing to I am using a Hypro app. Many girls to talk with me, but
Mhm.
not any girls to video call. So that you are a
Okay,
first
okay,
girls.
okay. Okay, okay. Okay, so my next question is, do you know how to cook food?
Yeah, I know, but something because my sister, my mother cannot
Okay, okay, okay,
cook.
okay. Allow you to cook food.
Yeah, a lot of
Okay.
yeah.
But if there is no one in your home, then you can cook or not,
I think this question is very difficult for me answering because I cannot try
right?
one day
Okay,
because I cannot try.
you never tried.
Yeah, it is
Okay,
yeah
but
because
in future, your mother and sister is not there in home. Then how can you live? How can you survive at that day? Are you able to
yeah
cook food
of
or
course
not?
yeah
Would
of
you
course we
cook
are
or
for
not?
fun, ma'am.
Would you cook food or you will order something from online?
First of all, I have money, so I will try
Oh
to
my
order.
God. If your sister and mother are not there for 1 week, then 1 week you will order food continuously. You will never
No,
try.
no.
You will not try to cook something for yourself.
Why not? Why not? It is not. Yeah,
So which
it
thing you can cook? Which thing you can cook easily without any difficulties?
is
Easily you can cook with
tea. Yeah, first
Maggie,
tea. After that,
tea,
tea.
tea,
Yeah,
and
and
then
second to egg. It is very easy
egg.
to cook, I think.
Oh, there is nothing to boil
Yeah,
that
but
egg. You have to boil
yeah,
water and you have to put the eggs in boiling water. So there is
but
nothing
I
to
think I
do.
cannot survive to eat tea and eggs. I cannot survive. I think
So whole day
because I
you
like
can eat this. So whole day you can eat egg in summer.
no no. It is summertime. You can. It is very hot to eggs. So that I like to spicy thing. So that
So which thing you
okay.
can easily cook? So which thing you can easily cook instead of egg?
Yeah, egg I can perhaps I can cook very easily eggs.
I am saying instead of egg, which thing you can cook easily? If your mother and sister are not available at home for 1 week, then how would you live your life?
Yeah, yeah. I will try, ma'am. I will
You
try.
know, you should learn something. You should learn how to cook
Yeah,
food.
yeah.
Like paratha, how to make paratha and how to make chapatis. You should know these things.
Yeah, it is my humble music. According to me, I think it is anything is not difficult. You will try that.
If you try.
You will try. You will very carefully mind. So it is not anything difficult because
Yes.
all thing make a human being. So it is not very
Hmm.
difficult. Ma'am, I will try also because my mother
Because
and
if
daughter.
you if, daughter, no, not daughter, your
Oh, sorry,
sister.
my mother and sister. My father daughter.
You know, if you know these things now, so you can help your wife also in future. You know, then she will be very happy to got you in his life, in her life. So you
Yeah,
should
I
learn these
think also.
things for your
I
wife,
think
your
also.
mother. You
Yeah,
can
I
make
think
your mom happy. You can make your wife happy. Sometime, not every day. Sometime.
if yeah, she will any
So
time
you
to
should learn.
facing more problem, so I can also cooking
Okay,
food.
so in evening time, this thing you are going to cook for your mom and sister.
Evening time,
Today in evening time. So this thing
yeah.
you are going to cook for your mom and sister.
Yeah.
At least you should
Okay.
cook, Maggie at
Please,
least. You should
please
cook
suggest
Maggie
me.
at least. Huh?
Please suggest me what
Okay,
will eat.
okay.
What
This
will
is your first
cooking?
time, na? This is your first time, so you can make
Yeah,
paratha and you can make Maggie also. Tasty
yeah.
Maggie.
Maggie, I think it is not very easy. It's Maggie.
Okay, you know that.
Yeah. Suppose that I cooking very easy to Maggie so that
Okay,
my mother and my
best simple recipe is, if you have boiled rice, then you can make them fried rice. It is also very simple.
yeah.
You have to put them.
You
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 have to add in rice like garlic and onion, tomatoes, chilies, and then you can eat that.
you know, so it is a very easy all thing for you, but I don't
So
know. So all thing is very difficult for me.
So today you
Many
have to
person
cook
also
something for your mom and your sister, okay? And then let me know which thing you have cooked, okay? After doing that thing, let me know.
I will do market and I like any vegetables so that I will cook. I will try to cook it. Okay,
Okay,
any
okay.
vegetable to like.
Okay, Nadeem,
Okay,
it was nice conversation with you. We will meet soon, okay?
okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Best of luck for cooking and for your future
Thank
also.
you. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye,
Bye.
Tata. Bye.